Welcome to this tutorial on the Phantom Wallet mobile app. Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, specifically on the Solana blockchain. To start, let's cover the basics of what Phantom Wallet is and what it does. Phantom Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning that users have full control over their funds and private keys. This is a key concept, as it ensures that users are the sole owners of their cryptocurrencies. Now, let's move on to the features of Phantom Wallet. The app allows users to create a new wallet or import an existing one. It also enables users to send and receive Solana and other SPL tokens. Additionally, Phantom Wallet supports staking, which allows users to earn rewards by participating in the validation process on the Solana network. To get started with Phantom Wallet, users need to download and install the app on their mobile device. Once installed, users can create a new wallet by following the in-app instructions. This involves generating a seed phrase, which is used to restore the wallet in case it is lost or deleted. When it comes to best practices, it's essential to keep the seed phrase safe and secure. This can be done by storing it in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked cabinet. It's also important to never share the seed phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access the wallet and steal funds. In terms of security, Phantom Wallet uses end-to-end encryption to protect user data and transactions. The app also supports biometric authentication, such as facial recognition and fingerprint scanning, to add an extra layer of security. In conclusion, Phantom Wallet is a user-friendly and secure mobile app that allows users to manage their cryptocurrencies on the Solana blockchain. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and practicing good security habits, users can safely and securely use Phantom Wallet to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies.